Hello guys, thanks for watching this Dingo's Tech Review. In this unboxing I'm going to be bringing to you the official Sony PS3 wireless keyboard. It's attached onto your controller. You can use it externally as well as a keyboard and trackpad for the browser. You can also use it for sending messages during or while you're on the home screen to send messages. So get it unboxed. I'm dreading getting through the human proof packaging, what Sony tends to pack their products in, and find where I open this. I bought this because I don't really use a headset on the PS3 offer, because you can't like have a private conversation obviously when you're in a game, so obviously text is the next best thing. So the package is ridiculously tight. Jeez. I really don't want to get this out. It's out now. So there you go. It's the wireless keyboard for the PS3 Sony, and I'm gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna connect it up and show you how you pair it. So get some scissors. Oh, by the way, if you could follow me on Twitter, it's @Stevo121, and if you could like this video if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and even favourite it. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, because I'm a new YouTuber. Well, I joined last year. I think I've got about 33 videos. And I don't seem to be getting many subscribers, so it would really help me out if you could subscribe. I'm trying to bring you the best content I can with the limited amount of money that I've got. I know I can't bring videos like Soldier Knows Best. Check him out at youtube.com/Soldier Knows Best, and I like iJustine, and I follow Dave from Geekanoids and Ty's iPhone Help. Just a few to list. So check all them out, because they're definitely awesome content reviewers. And you check the previous videos. This one as well. I got the Airport Express base station yesterday, the latest version. I set it up. It was really simple to set up. Come with some software to install the airport utility, but I've got the 2011 i5 Mac Mini, so obviously the airport utility was already on there, so it's really simple to set up. Extending my network, going to be using it for AirTunes, and I don't need to use the USB print service because I've got a wireless printer, and it'd be nice if you could, if they bring a firmware update where you can plug an external hard drive into the USB, so that'd be awesome. I'd love that. Maybe put some suggestions on the Apple website. I might sound a bit quiet in this video because my mic sucks. I mean, I bought this Altron UM100 mic, and the audio is really quality because I'm recording with the Microsoft Livecam HD 6000 at the moment, because it's just too much hassle when you record an external HD camcorder, which I do have, and yeah, so I've ordered a shotgun mic with mounts and a 3.5mm mini jack to extend our voice Sony. I went for a good quality one. I think it was $4.99 off Amazon, and I'm going to plug that into the back of my Mac Mini, have the microphone on the tripod here so it's a bit closer to my voice, and then just record with quick time as I've been doing now in these latest videos. See if we can get this open now. Yeah, see, it's open nice. So this says wireless keypad, compatible hardware, PlayStation 3, blah blah blah. Some more information. That's not good. Dropped it as soon as I've got it. Great. Let's put this packaging to one side. Probably gonna broke the flipping thing now before we even got it set up. So I'm gonna turn my PS3 on. I can just sign in. Yeah, so if I connect, I've signed into the PS network now. I don't know if you can see, but I've plugged the USB cable into my PS3 and I'm going to connect it to the controller now. Is the power on button? Ah, here it is. Very tight fit, and as you can see it started blinking now to indicate it's been detected. So how do I pair it now? As you can see now, it's scrolling through. Menus. It's not very doing it too well at the minute. Perhaps it needs, perhaps you can calibrate it, maybe. It's a bit erratic. Let's try using the arrows. Well, I've launched PlayStation Store now. How do I get out of this? O to exit. Yes. No, it's a vibrant. Oh, that's it. You've got some arrow keys here to go left and right. So it's sort of what the battery status is on this. How do you set the battery? I suppose if I'd like to know how you find out how much of the battery is charged. Oh, there it is. It's going up now. It's charging. So thanks for watching this quick video. Please remember to give it a like and a thumbs up. Leave a comment about what you think, and if you could subscribe, that'd be great. And like I say, my audio should be improving in the next couple of videos. So bear with me. I know the audio is rubbish, but thanks for watching Stingo's Tech Review, and I'll see you in the next video.